Every year, floods cause billions in damage and put millions of lives at risk. But thanks to incredible innovation, we now have smart, fast, and powerful solutions that help us fight back. From modular barriers you can set up in minutes, to self-rising walls that activate automatically, today we'll explore some of the most brilliant flood defense technologies from around the world. Let's dive in. First up is the flood block barrier, created by the UK company Flal Innovations. This system uses 1-meter-long plastic blocks that easily snap together. You can build the barrier in any length or shape you need, and just one person can set it up quickly. Once positioned, the blocks are filled with water, which makes them heavy enough to hold back floodwaters. And when you're done, they stack inside each other neatly for easy storage in your garage. Next, we have the Watergate flood barrier from Canada. This is a self-deploying system that rises automatically when floodwaters appear. As water enters special pockets inside the barrier, it lifts up and blocks incoming floods. These barriers come in lengths from 30 to 50 feet and can be joined together to create even longer walls. HESCO flood line. Moving on to the HESCO flood line, designed by a British company. This system uses wire cages called gabion units that are filled with sand. When connected together, they form a strong wall that can stop fast-moving floodwaters, even those filled with debris. You can even plant grass and vegetation on them, turning them into part of the natural landscape, perfect for riversides and canals. The best part? You don't need special tools or professional workers to set it up. Next is the SCFB, which stands for Self-Controlling Flood Barrier. This system, made by Belgian company Agaras, works automatically without needing electricity or people. When water levels rise, pressure builds underneath the barrier, causing it to lift up and block the flood. It's ideal for protecting critical infrastructure like power plants, subways, chemical factories, and homes. Now let's talk about the Storm Meister flood protection door. It looks like a regular door, but inside it has a special sealing system that gets tighter as water pressure increases. During tests, it held back 23 inches of water with no problem. It's one of the few doors designed to handle strong floods directly. NOK box wall. Next up is the NOK box wall. These plastic barriers are light and easy to set up. Each piece is 20 inches tall and weighs about 15.5 pounds. But once floodwaters rise, their own weight helps keep the barriers firmly in place, protecting buildings and critical areas. Now we have Top Mix Permeable, which is not a barrier but a special pavement designed to reduce flooding. This concrete can absorb up to 264 gallons of water per square meter thanks to its 20 to 35% vacancy rate. It's perfect for sidewalks, driveways, and parking lots in busy cities where water often floods the streets. Up next is Dam Easy, made by an Irish company. These portable flood barriers can be installed in just a few minutes. Simply place it in your doorway, adjust the width with a wrench, and inflate the rubber seal with the included pump. The seal creates an airtight block that keeps floodwaters out. You can also link multiple barriers together to cover wider areas.